Good morning, Lorraine Nakak. Hello, good morning, Absat. Check, check. Check, check, check. Check, check. Check, check me. That's good morning, Sir Ernest Romero, and of course to Ate Bonnie Bernardo.
Mamata?
Good morning, Marilyn Pasqua.
Mamata?
Hello. Oy, nagsapa ni Ma'am Marilyn, ha?
Check. Sapa, risky naman mamaya. Lester Segundo, Mayor, Rubia magkanta. Patay tayo dyan. Mayor, at kanta ka, damdama tumalaw ako. Palagi naman.
Morning.
Alam ko na yung mga oras nyo. Hanggang intro lang kayo.
Kaya dapat mag-share.
Bigyan mo, Mayor. Iwan, boss.
Mami Rebecca Biernes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Sa Paekti, Bagamet, Talawak, mga 12. Minsan wala pang 12, umaalis na itong mga ito. Pakitawag mo nga si Ma'am Marlene, si Myla, para mabuli natin. Good morning, Marie. Si Marie, hindi sumusunod sa uniform. Gusto na yatang lumipat sa kabila ito. Napagiging pasaway na. Awang pusa nga bantay ko, kaya nasapaan sa oras. Pusa talaga. Hello, Kaora. Wala ang Ishi ko. Wala ba si Ishi?
Wala, may schedule siya sa dentist.
Ay. Aalin ng buuin ngayon. Good morning, Ma'am Mirna Mariano.
Mitch Giang. Happy watching from Hong Kong. God bless and keep safe everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. May talkback.
Hoy, ilang araw na lang, bare months na.
Oo nga.
Parang hindi ko nararamdaman yung bare. I talk bad. Talk bad.
Ay, too bad.
Too bad. Kasi nagpapabrace ng ipin. Ano pa ang ano? Dati kami nung bata, wala namang brace. Bayabas lang ang toothpaste namin. Bayabas sa kaasin.
Kami buhangin.
Ernest Romero, kanta ka na, Mayor. Tayin lang natin yung mga girls natin, Boss Ernest.
Parang matitikman yata natin yung Christmas kay Marilyn Pasco ngayon. Tsaka kay Ma'am Mirna Mariano.
Wala, Marlon. Niniwala ka dun. Merry Christmas, wala naman. Malapit na umuwi yan, Pops. Marlene, sa 2024. O, kita mo, kanyak asin toothpaste ko. O, kaya may sakit sa ano to, sa kidney. Si Marlene. Oy, Jessa Pascua Torrente, oh. Hello, sir, oh. Sir ka dyan. Pasyal ka na dito, ah. Magdala ka ng ano, ng toothpaste.
Sa baling dito'y puso Nudila siksikat
Stricto mami, mama at mga titas, titos niya kasi di pa naman Christmas. Araw-araw Christmas, mami na.
Oy, agawid akong December, sabi ni Marlene Pasco. Niwala naman ako sa'yo. Walang aeroplano.
Sideg ka man, umay katabil piling ka, tati mapit agin na tayo.
Ay, good morning, Ma'am Remy Dancel, ang ating striker sa OSJ. BFF Juliet Mateo, good morning. Ma'am Remy Dancel, see you later sa OSJ. Marie, ay ano, pakibigyan mo ng mic si Ate Marino para makabagat. Si Marino pasaway sa uniform. Mga gaga nyo kasing nagde-date ni Walter. Ano oras kayo lumabas, Marie? Ano oras kayo lumabas? Oo, kita mo, di mo pa alam. Panay ang check-in nyo siguro, no?
BFF Juliet Mateo, good morning, good morning. Ma'am Remy Dancel, good morning also.
Jai. Ay, balayo. Opo. Tapos na, nagatayo. Maui. Come siya, Maui.
Good morning, Ma'am Remy Dancel.
Oh, ayan na.
Ma'am Nancy Gonzalez, Ma'am Mona Lynn, good morning. Ma'am Juliet Mateo, good morning. Ma'am Marilyn Pasqua, good morning.
Ako, ganda ni Maui. Parang si Dora lang, oh. May bag pa sa likod. Dora the Explorer lang. Tirada ni Maui niya.
Asan yung unggoy mo?
Mabuhay ka ora mismo from Jessa Pasqua Torrente.
Mark Anthony Batulayan, good morning, Pops. Pops, hindi ka may sumurot nga biken, kumpadre.
Napagod kami. Layo ng binike namin.
Ang sakit ng katawa ko.
Nag-trail kami.
Good morning, Nancy Gonzalez. Hello.
Mami Rebecca Biernes, good morning.
To all Gonzalez family, good morning, good morning.
Yes, Ma'am Edna Gonzalez, thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
Kala nyo kahit hindi ako kumanta, meron akong babe.
Sana all.
Red Day ngayon ka ora.
Hey, sound check.
Ha?
Hey, sound check.
Watch party ka?
Sound check.
Red Day kami ngayon, BFF Juliet.
Apa yawan?
Si ano lang ang pasaway, si Maui. Ay, si
Sound check.
Marie.
Hey, sound check.
Good morning, Ma'am Nancy Gonzalez. Oh my God. Wala pa yung BFF ko Oh, tara. Tira tayo. Tira tayo. Oh, sige. Ayan o. Yung line up. Mamaya na. Sige. Gagalit na si Boss Ernest. Sige, sayo kayo. Wow.
Boss Jesse Gonzalez, good morning, good morning.
Yes, Boss Jesse, oh. Bare months na, oh, Boss Jesse, oh.
Sing busy si Boss Jesse.
Kaka
Boss Jessie, good morning.
Magwa 1 year na pala tayo. Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang.
Pwede na?
Pwede ng watake. Tatayo ako ng sarili kong live.
Apay kaslakwa.
Magtatayo ako ng Voltes 5.
Meron lang.
Sound check.
Voltes
Hey.
5.
Magtatayo ako ng sarili ko. Kukuhanin ko yung mga tumutugtog sa minatay. Pati yung mga kumakanta.
Sound check. Hey.
Pati yung mga nagtotorotot. Hello po watching here in Tarlac. Hello po sa lahat. And to my mother-in-law watching from Hawaii, Mami Mirna. Ito yung asawa ni Sarah, Alexis. Si Ma'am Baby Seni Tabak. Hello po. Good morning po dyan sa Tarlac.
Tarda.
Good boy daw yung si Sir. Si ano. Sabi ni AC, good boy daw. Wala raw hilig. Walang kahilig-hilig sa chicks.
Ate Catherine Gastulo, good morning, good morning. Habang handi pa ng Rugi Gagayam Kinagabsat, pwede na tayong mag-share.
Oh, sige,
mga ka-ora.
Ma'am Baby Seni, paki-share mo para makapanood yung mga friend mo dyan sa Tarlac. Baby. Re-request na naman si Sir Alexis. Castilyong Buhangin.
Ayun, pulis.
Wala, andyan na ba? Wala pa.
Sundalo.
Oo, PSG.
Soldakes.
Soldakes. Hindi. Ano siya? Sergeant.
Sulbago.
Sulbago. Hoy, good morning.
Oy, Ate Catherine Castulo, baka naman pwede kang magpapansit dyan.
Kat Castulo.
1 kilong pansit na.
Yes po, haha. Yes, he is. Oh, English speaking pala to si Ma'am Baby.
Oh.
Dapat to Englishin din natin.
Hi, Ma'am Baby. How are you doing? Are you ready to come ka na with yung backpack of the guy standing in front of the backpack?
Hi. Lalim na English. Oh, sige, tira oh. Nainip na si Ma'am Mirna oh.
Balikan tayo. Start memories.
Oh, ano yung reggae? Sige. Busy sa modules. Ayan na. Ako, ayan na. Malapit na eskwela.
Hey! 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 Good morning, Sir Renato Nancy Gomez. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I might be glad you say.
Oh, kita mo tong Marilyn Pascua. I'm back. Umalis ka agad?
I'm stuck on you. Been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could look around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. I might be glad to say.
Happy watching, Myla Bagawisan.
Hello. Oh, I'm leaving on the midnight train tomorrow, and I don't know where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I've thrown them all away. 'Cause this time I know, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you can look around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. I might be glad to say. Good morning, Makora. Hello. Oh, we're leaving on the midnight train tomorrow, and I don't know where I'm going. I pack all my troubles and I've thrown them all away. 'Cause this time I know, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I might be glad to say. I might be glad you stay.
Happy watching, Joyce Aquino.
I might be glad you say. Oh. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the ones that will answer the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories we've been through. Toss to the ones in the day. Toss to the ones that were lost in the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yo. There were times that I remember when I didn't know the pain, when I believed in forever, and nothing would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December, cause somebody says your name. It's like I reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything will be alright. Gotta raise your glass and say, cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish that we hear, but you're not. Puts a dream bring back all the memories, and bad times. Toss to the ones in the day, toss to the ones that were lost in the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, yeah. Memories bring back, yeah. There are times that I remember when I never felt so lost, when I felt all the hatred was so impossible to stop. Oh yeah, cause my heart is like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I will carry the stars for you that I know that will never drop. Hey, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything will be alright. Gonna raise your glass and say, cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the ones that we wish could good night. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toss to the ones of the day, toss to the ones that were lost in the way. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, yeah. Memories bring back, yeah. Memories bring back, yeah.
Happy watching Mama Annabel Agustin.
Okay, dati man sa natapo ka dito, dalawan man ni Ma'am Annabel Agustin. Lakay,
Itihayat ko, lakay, itibiyag ko, lakay, tiragsak ko, hasta kuma, ikapalay ko, bayagara, apagpapigsana, iso, kalasag na, huwag kumahay haratip na, apatiwerwer no tumirada, napigsamit pa'y ano mailo, napigsamit pa'y naakilaw iti presko, na gumisong asanap sa pagpanirpir na sumikpa, urayla na aganansa, aglalakay, kunan tatangkin nanay, aglalakay, unalakay, naruba manakibyan, awan, di bibiyang yun, sumapul kaile, tila kaya kalbo.
Pabs, may pansit na tayo. Kay Ma'am
Good morning,
Gemma.
Ma'am Nancy Gonzalez, Ma'am Monalyn Mamed, Ma'am Rebecca Bosesi, Sir Renato Nancy Gomez,
Ma'am
Ma'am
Gemma
Gemma.
Pasyon, good morning.
Ma'am Joliet Mateo, Ma'am Mayla Bagawisan. Good morning to Ma'am Marlene Pasqua. Lakay, iti kayat ko, lakay, Amerikano, lakay, tiragsak ko, ni Jessie Kuma, ikapalay ko, kaya gara, apagpapinsana, iso, kalasag na, nuwag kuma, hanihan at tipken na, agkatiwerwe, no tumirada, napigsamit pa'y ano mailo, napigsamit pa'y nga ilaw iti preso kung gumisungag sanap sa pagpanirpir sumikba Morayla na akanansa Aglalakay kung nantatangken na Aglalakay kunadapay karuba malakibya Awan ibigang yo Sumakul kay me Tila kaya kalbo Awan ibigang yo Sumapul kay me Tila kaya kalbo Good morning, Ma'am Juliet Mateo. Happy watching.
Ma'am Lugulina Carla Cabi and Ma'am Ami Cadelina. Tito Rolly and Tita Judith Madamba. Ma'am Catherine Castolo.
Inilisang ngarabi Inakapaspas siya Adut na labsak Babasit ababalay Dut-dut-dut sumsunggar Hindi makabatuga Kaada nagtaulkin ng sit-sit kanya Kabuti-buteng ko Ket intuturet ko Naparintumeng tingmada Itingato Kunak nuaso Wag tataulto'y abay ko May sangasansin mo Lalaki amang lumlimo Hey! Pangkasan ko Di ayan ko Paglemengan no sumroto'y utog ko Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Tikiktot ko Nakita ni San Pedro Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Awan buteng no sumroday kuino mo Kampusan ko Di ayan ko
Ramal na ka power Hey!
Hello, Tita Edna Gonzalez. Tita Mona Lee, Tita Nancy, Tita Jess.
Iti na minsan ngarabi Inakagpaspas siya Adut na labsak Babasit abagbalay Dut-dut kuk sumsunggar Iti makabatugan At na nagkaulken Ng sit-sit kanya Kaputi-buteng ko Ket intuturet ko Naparintumeng ting mga dati tingato Kunak nuwaso Wag tataulto'y abay ko May sangasansin mo Lalaki mang lumlimo Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Paglemengan no sumruto'y aran ko Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Tikiktot ko Nakita ni San Pedro Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Awan buteng no sumruday tuino mo Kampusan ko Di ayan ko Tumarayakon Day tantay aso Please do like and share our live for today. Thank you so much.
Mr. Playboy, may bigote, nakakakilit eh. Mr. Playboy, Mr. Playboy. Nagkayat na agda, yung kakalkalbitin, aglalong balasang, yung kasikil-sikile. Anakan sa aya, pinakpagibulin, ang kita-kita yung mata, makararem kan sa mani. Mapnekak takin na, playboy mo nga tao, taag din na magkaman ijay lugar yun. Kapati karubam, di mo kayan linagsan, hingga kasing narak sa bali alugan. Ikan sa akin kaya din, Mr. Playboy, amin mesan tupay lang. Mr. Playboy, may bigote, nakakakilit din. Mr. Playboy, Mr. Playboy, pinipili ka, siya kweno isuda, garaw mo asa bali, isip mangipakita. Agkari ka kuma, na agbalbali ka, ikatem bigotem, akam ka matenda. Ikan sakit kaya din, Mr. Playboy, amin na cheese, patalyaw emida, pati payen kapsat ko, hingga payen diskarja, pati ini nakabalo, kurimesan tupay lang. Ikan sakit kaya din, Mr. Playboy, amin na cheese, patalyaw emida, pati payen kapsat ko, hingga payen diskarja, pati ini nakabalo, kurimesan tupay lang. Pati ini nakabalo, kurimesan tupay lang. Mr. Playboy, may bigote, nakakakilit din. Mr. Playboy, Mr. Playboy, hello, Ma'am Remy Dancel. Hey! Tarong, tarong, pagpapintas, gayang di mabagbagin. Tay tarong, apa ko gustuhin. Basta tarong, al-alunusin mi. Aniyaman, iglase na isang mulmin. Wow! Tay tarong, ketna, vitamina, naima, amina, bukel, 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 bukel. Tay tarong, ipulos, makauma, naisip, renong, puraw, mayat, latas. Hey! Tay tarong, pudno, ang makapaseksi. Pampakinis, ikudila perperli. Basta tarong, etna, sustansya. Tay tarong, anang sek, ilanganan. Tarong iti bikal, tarong iti algaw, tarong tirabi ay nagimas na biya. Tarong tigmatuon, tarong tiparpango, tarong akana yun ay di makauma. Nagimas si tarong, huray, tarong wakan kanayo. Tarong nga tinorta, tarong nga pinagbe, nagimas na talaga.
Tira pa rin. Kaling ni Mareo. Parang sumweldo na.
Tarong, pagpapinta, gayang di mabagbagi, mabagbagi. Ay tarong, kapag gugustuhin, basta tarong, al-alunusin mi. Aniyaman, iglase na, isak mulmi. Wow! Ay tarong, yetna, vitamina,
Aman?
naimas, amin na
May masa talaga.
Hello, Ate Cherry de la Cruz. Ate Pangit Tiger.
Ate na Evangelista, ate na Tracy Mel, sa gitar yung talo. Taro! Bukel, bukel, yummy!
Muraw jay bukid.
Tambo, tambo, may masida.
Noon nalabagan jay bukid.
Bubugayo!
Noon nangisit jay bukid.
Takit kaldi,
Noon nasileng jay bukid.
bukel ni Dagski.
Ay!
Noon natangken jay bukid.
Ulong dayta,
Noon nasilap jay bukid.
muging mo dayta.
Mugi ni Aileen.
Noon nangisit jay bukid.
Mungay mo dayta.
Ay!
Noon nakuret-ret jay bukid.
Shukel, shukel. Maging Shukel,
Shukel!
yummy!
Yummy talaga.
Nupuraw jay bukid.
Itlog dayta, nalinta.
Noon nalabagan jay bukid.
Ay kinurat dayta.
Noon napuraw jay bukid.
Anak, napura. Kamanaw dayta.
Wala ko na tupraan.
Noon nangisit jay bukid.
Nangisip na. Ala. W.
Noon nangisit jay bukid.
Takit kaldi.
Noon nasilap jay bukid.
I get shukel, shukel. Hey!
Noon natangken jay bukid.
Ay ulong dayta.
Noon nasilap jay bukid.
Ay ulong latta. Game aking baba.
Buukan jay bukid.
Ay balot dayta.
Ngano nagkuti jay bukid.
Bilbil mi dayta. Money, money. Oh wow.
Nupuraw jay mani.
Imported dayta.
Amerikana.
Noon nalabagan na mani.
Ay naman sudayta. Ha na ibilang.
Noon nangisit na mani.
Ay nakset dayta.
Noon nabasa nga mani.
Manin dayta.
Ay!
Noon natangken na mani.
Kagabot.
Doon na mo rin.
Noon namureng nga mani.
Ay kagabot dayta.
Noon nasilap nga mani.
Namantikaan dayta.
Noon nakuret-ret nga mani.
Bapaget dayta. Kami sampal. Money, money, wow! umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, of course. Good morning po sa ating mga 63 eyes. Good
Yes.
morning. Yes. What a wonderful Thursday morning, mga kaibigan. Kakakadwa tayo manen. Iti sabali manen na po. Nga parang iti programa di kita apo at problema na nga kayat na apo nga malaganan ti bagbagi na apo iti ora mismo music live.
Kuya kayo laing kada.
Yes, muna mo nagkabgablawak di kita baro nga viewers tayo apo manipo diti na ba sa bali nga lugar nang nangro na apo diti Pilipinas. Di kita viewers tayo from all the way from Bacolod City. Wow.
Yes, happy watching.
Happy watching sa lahat po ng mga taga Bacolod and of course to our viewers from Malasiki, Pangasinan.
Yes, hello po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pangasinan.
And of course our viewers coming from Davao City, Bernadette Ibanez Aba Junio. Yan, of course to Sir Tony Jurado and of course to Mama Mayet Briones. Yan,
Yes, welcome to
Mildred
our
Pomerada. Good morning. Yan. And of course, kita sa ating mga bagong viewers, sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin at hindi pa po nakapag-share, pwede po tayong mag-share. And of course, we'd like to greet Sir Win Unsama coming from Ilocosur. Yan, Philippines. My name is Sir Francis De La Cruz Binloan, ang bilit po ng Honor Mismo Music Live. Good morning. God bless and be safe, mga kaibigan.
Yes, at ako naman po si Marie Saba.
At ako naman po si Maui.
At siyempre ang inyong lingkod, Mayor na walang
Hey.
vice mayor.
Yes.
Ang obigay ni ng Ora Mismo Music
Obigay ni po.
Live. And of course, ang ating organista, si Mr. Mark Vincent
watching po sa
Jaramillo. Good morning. Yes.
And also happy watching to sa Gleserio Arios. Aloha watching from Hawaii.
Sakbay naman na po ng mga rugi bago po tayo maghatid po ng iba't ibang mga kanta at mga greetings. Mga
Yes.
kaibigan, we would like to acknowledge all our loving and very, very generous supporters and sponsors only here at Ora Mismo Music Live. Nang nauro naman na po kini Ma'am Rebecca Biernes, Jessie Gonzalez, Monalyn Gonzalez, Nancy Gonzalez, Edna Gonzalez, Ronnie Gonzalez, of course, Renato Nancy Gomez, Joliet Mateo, Ma'am Ami Cadelina, Lovelina Corda Cabie, Cherry De La Cruz, Sunny De La Cruz, Nida Magana, Edita Passion and Ma'am Elena Domingo, Daisy Neves, Sagittarius, Neva Jean Lista, Cyril Tuna Calzada, Pangit Tiger, Mercy Mamaklay, Ervin Padres, Erasmo Ilibas, and of course, The Music and Me and Mr. Willie Justo.
Ma'am Marlene Pascua, Ma'am Mayla Bagawisan, Tropang B, Joel Danny Salvacion, Ma'am Lynn Peralta, Mary Ann and Ma'am Mary Ann and Sir Louis Fiesta Bonilla, Ma'am OC, Ma'am Susan Aralejo, Ma'am Zenny Mata Dumlao, Ma'am Remy Dancel, Ma'am Gemma Passion, Ma'am Catherine Costolo, Ronnie Habo, KNF Barbershop, Gerald Costolo, Gloria, and Benny Costolo, FNJ Computer Shop, and Talipapa,
Baba mo yung kamay mo.
Ilocos Rice and by Virgilio and Ma'am Mary Fame Passion, Chef Emil Villanueva, and Ate Lorraine Lakap of Carayos Kitchen, Regia Apari of Avalanche Sounds and Lights.
Of course, to Sir Red Repuyo, hello, Ora Mismo Music, nanonood ng live dito sa Villa Alves, Ayusan, Sorbigan. Request ko man apo te ayat ti may nga ubing mga idol. And of course, kablawan te pa ni Sir Rosalio de los Santos of the Romero's Band, to all the Mamao family, Bernardo family, De La Cruz family, Josie Pagirigan, Elvira Odaundo, Ruli, and Judith Madamba, Lisa Maner, and of course to Ma'am Mirna Mariano and Mayet Mariano Tabag.
Yan. Sponsor ko yan, ha?
Happy watching sa aking napakagandang kailyan na si Ma'am Susan R. Alejo.
Nandiyan na ba?
Yan, nandiyan.
Kala ko overtime eh.
Tos.
At syempre, batiin ko lang yung pinakabago na, new pa, Mayla Bagawisan. New viewer po ako.
And of course, happy watching to Mercy Mamaklay. Pag-greet mga kaora, happy 75th birthday to my mother, Regina Apostol. And request ko man apo the birthday song. Okay, later po ma'am.
Yan.
And of course to Ramon Pasamonte. Bang, bang, bang. Yan.
Yes.
Happy watching Sir Bang, bang, bang. Oh.
Long time no shot, sir, ha?
Happy watching, Tito Ramon.
At syempre,
Pasamone.
pasalamat pala ako kay Mama Edna Gonzalez. Ma, thank
Yes.
you. Kala nyo, ha?
Okay. Agbunga tamatam marebebe kung na nagsirip-sirip ka. And of course to all our OSJ kapamilya, and of course to all our Music and Me kapamilya, and of course belated happy birthday to Johnny of the Music Jam. Yeah.
Paps, paalala ko lang sa mga bagong viewers natin, pwede po kayong mag-request. Paki-comment niya lang po. Kung kaya po namin, titirahin po namin.
Yes. Sa lahat po ng mga request. Paalala lang, pero pag hindi pa namin alam, baka sakaling ma-practice namin, tirahin namin kinabukasan.
Kanisin na apo ti mga nga mangipaay ti ayat na kada kami. Wala
Ayan.
sponsor. Any amount hang kami agpilpili pagyaman namin ti adda apo.
Yes.
Thank you.
And also, Mary Ann Apostol Aguinaldo. Hello po, first time manood po dito. Yes, welcome na welcome po.
Yes, sasagot ka man na po dito yung mga request. Iti dahi itong aldaw. Iti kanta na po ulwan. Ti ayat, ti may sanga ubing. Ti ayat, ti may sanga ubing. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. George Sanghel. Dem has me. Kasla sa bunga pagkukuran, iti bulan, iti abril, ti ayat ti may sangalakay, aglalo no agkaba. Napait, napait, napait nga makasukan. Bye-bye ang taubing leo, sumapul ka tayo balo.
Mr. George Angel.
Akapat pa na tuban mo, kenday tatupol mo. Bye-bye ang napanunute, di ayat di may sangaubing. Aglalo, nuwad dan makin ay wanin. Okay, kablawag man na po ni Susan Alejo. Kan gusto namin na po di kitik po ya po di Ora Mismo Music Live. Can you remi down south? Good morning, good morning.
Ma'am Tessie Dabon. Happy watching.
Ma'am Tessie Dabon, good morning, good morning. Mary Ann Apostol Aguinaldo. Hi.
Ma'am Lubilina Corda Cabie.
Yes, Ma'am Ami Cadelina, Tita Ranera Botoda.
And also to Sir William Cabie.
Sa Erwin Padre.
Sa Mercy Mama kaya
Di
ti watching.
ayat, di may sangabi, nasamsamit ngem hasmi, kasla sa bunga pagkukuran, iti bulan, iti abril.
Meron Apostol Aguinaldo.
Di
Happy
ayat,
watching.
di may sangalakay, aglalo no agkaba. Napait, napait, napait nga makasukat. Bye-bye ang taubing lelo, sumapul ka tay balo. Akapat padatuban mo, kenday tatupol mo. Bye-bye ang nga panunute, ti ayat ti may sangawin. Aglalo, aglalo, nuwad dan makin ay wanin.
Kopyang-kopya.
Aglalo, aglalo, nuwad dan makin ay wanin. Cora si Mabini Acoba, good morning, happy watching!
Yes.
Deta po ti sunata po manipot pelang kinapot tinumay tumuyang ni Mr. George Shanghel. Yan, good morning, kada kayo aming gagayang gang kaabsan ang nanguna naman kinikasin Susan R. Alejo.
Good morning, Ma'am Susan R. Alejo. Happy watching.
Sa bali mamaya po nga request, itikanta na po 1, Release Me. Please release me, let me come. For I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear. Tita Ranera Botota. 'Cause I will always want a need. Her lips are warm while yours at home. So listen me and let me love again. Please release me, can't you see? You'd be a fool to cling to me. To waste our lives would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. Let me go. Let me go. Ow! That was our requested song. Happy watching to Ariel Labayog Passion, coming from Monalyn Gonzalez, and of course, happy watching to my sister Marites Pasol, coming from Lubilin Accorda Cavie, 1 in a million human idol, coming from JC Adaya. Okay, later po. Pop.
Sige. Tapos na.
Naimbag nga aldaw yu amin kaora, coming from Michelle Maria Caro.
Yeah. Pops, nag-PM sa akin si Myla Bagawisan.
Sabi.
Ayos. Thank you.
Alet?
Marlene Pasqua, ganun na lang. Buti pa si, may PM sa akin,
Happy watching Michelle Marleya Garo, coming from Monalyn Gonzalez, and of course to Mel Carlos Jr. Happy listening and happy watching from Kona International Airport at Kea Hall. Aloha everyone!
Yes!
Ang hirap.
Happy
Ang hirap
watching.
bigkasin. Felix Lucio, happy watching. Good morning. Oy, kadigiti amin na po nga viewers tayo, supporters, newcomers. Welcome po sa ating Aura Mismo Music Live. Pwede po tayo ma-request, mga kaibigan. And this time, I'd like to give you another requested song, a song called Agnanayon, nga ay ayaten ka.
Sagsagot ay mandadamas pinagati ni Ma'am Juliet Mateo, Ma'am Nancy, Ma'am Monalyn, Ma'am Edna, Ma'am Ibeda, Ma'am Juliet Mateo. Lipatin saan tana irwamak ayat anay sang-sangayan ayat kinalikagma naipaay mo pudno pakaragsakan urayawan ka malaglagit ka dagidi na daw aminak makit kita dagidi na ruway nga inangaw ta tungren luluwa tunggal mapanunot ka ag nanayon ngay ayaten ka ipat pateken putno adunggungwen ka uray paino imadayo ka pimanaw ka ating nagpakada magudas matay to'y biyak ko agmay sa kato'y puso urayawan ka malaglagit ka dagiti na daw aminak makikita dagiti na ruway nga inangaw ka tungren luluwa tunggal mapanunot ka ag nanayon ngay ayaten ka ipat pategen pudno adunggungwen ka uray paino imadayo ka pimanaw ka ating nagpakada magudas matay to'y biyak ko agmay sa kato'y puso sagot kumambay kay ni Ma'am May Castillo Luna Becca, Tito Jessie, Tita Mona, Tita Nancy, Tita Edna, Tito Ronnie, Sir Renato Gomez, Ate Daisy, Daisy Mero Sagitario. Ag nanayon ngay ayaten ka ipat pategen pudno adunggungwen ka uray paino imadayo ka pimanaw ka ating nagpakada magudas manay to'y biyak ka agmay sa kato'y puso ag nanayon ngay ayaten ka ipat pategen pudno adunggungwen ka uray paino imadayo ka pimanaw ka ating nagpakada
mga request. Sagsagot ko palang digiti nakatune inita kan digiti baro nga viewers. Yan ang yung alipipatan na ko nga pag-share. Ito yung live tayo tatatap ko no. Ada doon tayo nagtitin ng gay kaya nagraragsan. Naulpit adawel tisimang bay kaniya. Tasikat ay nagaw na nganya dayong dito'y denak. Nabayag nga panuwin ang nagiptura. Dalindukin sa in sinagambang. Bayat kawan mo, awan patigday tuwibiyan. Imbubuskot oras sa naglemes iti araw. Barbarin nukuna, asikat ay malipatak, kung naglabese. Kamanintay awagan. Nakasangbiak kuti ket mo akalakama. Tabus tuwem payeng ngauray no pakataya. Di mo pinanunod ngayon bubus ko nga ayat nilaksid na kita puso. Itanim nag-akas niliban. Yan, sagsagot yung mapagin ni Ate Edna, Ate Monalyn, Ate Nancy, Boss Jessie, Sir Renato, Nancy Gomez, Sir Ronnie, Mami Rebecca Viernes, Ma'am Lubilin, Ma'am Ami Catalina, Mami Edita Pasyon, Sir Will Houston, Sir Joel Dantes Alpacien Santos, Ma'am Lynn Peralta, Ate Marian and Kuya Louie Bonilla, ang kasabi ni Ate Cherry de la Cruz, Ma'am Sunny de la Cruz, Kuya Ruli and Ma'am Judith Madamba. Bayan kawan mo, awan patigday tuwiriyan. Inbubuskot oras sa naglemes iti araw. Barbaring nukuna, asikatay malipatak, kemno naglabese. Sikamanintay awagan. Nakasangbiak puti, ket mo akalakama. Tagus tuwem payeng auray no pakataya. Di mo pinanuno, inbubus ko ngayat, nilaksid na kita puso. Itanim akas nilipan. Kung pinanunod, inbubus ko ngayat, nilaksid na kita puso. Itanim akas nilipan. Ayan, dati request yung arak. Ayan, sa balimapeng request. Kapuluan, one in a million you. Manibot pa lang iti Ora mismo Music Live. Ayan, sagsagot tayo maginiti si Nete Sagittarius, ni Evangelista, ni Juliet Mateo, Pangit Tiger, Meran Calma, Ma'am Mercy Mamakla, Ma'am Mayra Pagawisan. Love a play. request yun na One in a Million You.
Yes, kaplaw man po ni Mama Lubilin Acorda Cabi, and of course to Mama Ami Cadilina. Good morning, good morning. Aha. Asa tayo man po di kitita duma-duma. Ay, awan. Nagpuko dito watch party. Okay. Good morning to Sarah. Nagana natin. Napoleon de los Santos, good morning. Eduardo Dohelio Pereña, Benjamin Maluto, and of course to Maridol Españos. Españos, and of course to Wilfred Crudo, good morning. Di kita apo at the watch party, good morning kada kayo amin. Di kita senior citizen, di kita minamahal nating mga nanay na naka-dual citizenship na. Si Ma'am Lobeli naka-dual citizenship na ba yun? Di ba? Check, sound, check. Okay. Days Unebe Sagittarius, aloha, adiko coming from Lobilin, ako, the Cabie. And of course, to all the coffee girls, to Juliet Mateo, Monalyn Gonzalez, good morning. Nancy Gonzalez, Edna Gonzalez, and of course, happy watching to Sir Pasa Monte. Lobat. Di man sumaron na apya sa apo, idadaulwan man apo ni Mami Rebecca Biernes. Kaya di kita senior citizen. Hoy! Hoy! Fool. Darling, I love you, though you treat me cruel. You hurt me, and you made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. I'm so young and you're so old. This my darling, I've been sold. I don't care just what they say. This Mayana I will pay. You and I could be as free as the birds up in the sea. Oh, please stand by me, Diana. Good morning, Ma'am Ami Cadalina. At sumpa tayong gagayam kayong kakabsar. Only you can tear my heart. Only you can tear us apart. And I love you with the loving eyes. He's my darling, I will try. You and I will be as free as the birds up in the sea. Oh, please stand by me, Diana. Oh, my lover, oh, my sweetheart, tell me that there'll be another. I'm with you with all my heart. Only you can tell us apart. Only you can dare us apart. When I love you with your loving arms, this forever I will try. You and I will be as free as the birds up in the sea. Oh, please stand by me, Diana. Oh, please, Diana. Oh, please, Diana. Oh, please, Diana. Itataluan naman na po ni Cora si Mabina Copa. Blue Spanish eyes,
Mr. George Angel.
teardrops are falling from your Spanish eyes. Please, please don't cry. This is but yes, adios, and not goodbye.
66 eyes.
Soon I will return, bringing you all the love your heart can hold. Please say, City, say you and your Spanish eyes will wait for me. Alay salam lata. Spanish eyes.
Tira, mami.
Prettiest eyes of all of Mexico.
Mas magaling si Marie sumayaw eh. Marie ka nga. Marie ka, Marie.
Spanish eyes. Please smile for me once more before I go. Soon I will return, bringing you all the love your heart can hold.
Sumba, Maui.
Please say, say you and your Spanish eyes will wait for me. Tell me, when will you be mine? Tell me, cuando you can share a love divine. Please don't make me wait again. I can wait a moment more. Tell me cuando say it me that you adore. And then darling tell me when. Every moment's the day. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can't wait,
moon. Tell me quando, 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 quando. Say it's me that you adore. And then darling, tell me when.
Good morning, kadang-kadang kagayang kagawsan.
Every moment's a day. Every day since a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can't wait a moment more. Tell me quando, 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 quando. Say it's me that you adore. And then tell me when. Ooh, my darling, tell me when. Ooh, my darling, tell me when.
Marie. Tapos pasayaw mo si Marie Pap.
Mari, halika! Touch by touch,
Go Marie.
you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. When I feel the time is right and you stand by my side, and the love you give to me, it makes my heart beat. When my fantasy fly away, but my feeling makes me stay. That's a fire in my heart, it makes my heart beat. We still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a turtle dove. Love's a game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in your heart, it makes my heart beat. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Gloria Gonzalez, Lolit Jandugan, Ana Malangit, good morning. Yes! Good morning, good morning! Okay, netabo di isang kapasita po nga pangwagwag tayo kadigitay lamlamiis. Digitay nairot nga tumtom ang kinsiksikit apo nang nangruna dita Hawaii. Apo napintas mayat ti ay pinagsumsumba ni Ma'am Cora ken ni Mama Ami Cadelina ken ni Mercy Mama Clay. Yaho mga sisters, sumala tayo manen Honoren Titan Street tayo. Oh my God, dito'y Sister Cora, party before lockdown. Parang magkarang nagiinuman na sila doon, Paps, ha?
Okay, magla-lockdown na sila bukas
Magse-celebrate sila bago sila mag-lockdown. Ayos, ha? Kailangan daw ng party bago mag-lockdown. Alam mo yung through the years? Kang ganda ni Jovic, ya? Okay. Okay, sagot ko man ako dito request ni Nancy Through the Years. Yes. Through the night, through the years in bed. Sagsagot na ka siguro kini Renato dito. Okay.
Paborito ni Ma'am Lubiling.
Oh, Ma'am Lubiling.
Rene Balbas.
Hi, Sir Rene Balbas Giberas. Good morning.
Good morning.
I would just like to give you a requested song, requested by Nancy Gonzalez. And of course, kadigitay amin apong buybuyan ng nangruna kadigitay ay ayaten tayong senior citizen. Nakadadutag buybuyan nga senior citizen sika. Parang may naamoy akong merienda.
May dumating ba?
Oh, may itlog. I would just like to give you a song called Through the Years. Kinakanta mo to, pare? Dali lang mga kaibigan, meron po tayong bisita.
May guest singer tayo ngayon
From Orange Farm Live Streaming. Okay.
Pati ka muna.
Pati ka muna, brother. Anong feeling mo at nabisita ka dito sa aming munting
Buti naman,
studio?
napasyal ka.
Oh, Paps.
Kamusta na?
Yes, a blessing po, blessing.
Parang hindi mo na kami kilala.
Di, balita ko nagpapatayo to.
Ay, hindi, may ano na to, may mano ka na. Ang daming
Kaya
manok.
nga, gasoline station yung lahat. Papatayo siya ng sarili niyang farm para hindi na siya mamroblema. Kailangan niya nang gumawa ng iba sarili niyang farm.
Yes, pasensya na po kayo. Medyo tinamaan po ng labnat.
Labnat?
Yes.
Nakita mo.
Bakit? Ilang buwan na ba?
Labnat.
Kita mo na nga naman talaga. Labnat?
Iba talaga.
Okay.
Sige. Oh.
Pulutan ka ng alam mong gamot sa labnat. Kape.
Muna
Hindi. Kape at saka Spanish bread. Masarap sana muna yung kaso mahal.
Sige.
My loves.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found it you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. With love of life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you told me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. with me, need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a time. We always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years. Round the sweetest days I found in you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Yes, ayan ay saksakot ko man dito nga sonata kay ni mama kay ni papang ko, of course. And of course, to Mami Becca, yan. Ma'am Nancy Gonzalez, Ma'am Morelyn Gonzalez, Ma'am Edna Gonzalez, of course. Yan, also to Ma'am Juliet Nadeo. This is for you.
Bihira gumagamit ng ganyan, ha? Ano ba yan? Aktok?
Ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo, kahit kailan may hindi magbabago. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Di ko nais na mawalay ka kahit sandali sa aking piling. Kahit buksan pa ang dibdib ko, matatagpuan larawan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa.
Ma'am? Ma'am Josie Pagirigan, hello. Yan, Ma'am Kids Manehan. Kahit buksan pa ang dibdib ko,
matatagpuan larawan mo. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. Ikaw ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi't araw. Ikaw ang nais kong sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala nang ang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. Yes, ano naman, buddy?
Ang kakainis. Ngayon ka lang pumunta tapos nagpapakilig ka pa.
Yan, sabi na bati ko pala si Mami Ami Cadelina, yan, Boss Renato Nancy Gomez, Ma'am Juliet Mateo, Ma'am Lovelina Cordac Abien.
Hoy! Ingay-ingay.
Yes, Ma'am Edita Pasyor, Ma'am Elena Domingo, Ma'am Disinueva Sagitarios, yan, Ma'am Lea Balista, Ma'am Cyril Tuna Calzada, Ma'am Marian Calma, of course, Ma'am Pangit Tiger, Ma'am Mercy Mamaklay, Sir Ervin Padres, yan.
Ang ganda ng mga komento. Gloria Gonzalez watching from Cabuyao. Nice music. I like it. Spanish Eyes. Tapos na.
Boss Williams to. Hello po.
I've been away too long from Lolit Chanduka. Yes, dapat ikanta na po naman sa aking puso. Ayong ano? Oo nga, no? Yan, bati ka mo na. Mami, ano?
Yes, Mami Becca. I love you, Mami.
Amay?
Sabi ko sa'yo, I love you ka na, I love you.
Ma'am Susan Alejo, hello.
I'll be...
Apo, BFF Juliet, oh. She's gone.
Wag naman, Ma'am Juliet.
Sige.
And would like to give you a song by Bon Jovi.
Batiin mo yung mga kabanda mo, power band.
Sa mga kasama ko kagabi, hello sa inyo. I guess this time you're really deep. I heard you say goodbye. Or as my broken heart lies bleeding. You say true love is suicide. You say if we're out of thousand rivers, and now you swim out for the shore. Sure. You left me drowning in my tears, and you won't save me anymore. Give me one more chance, girl. I'll be there for you. Despite what I swear to you, when you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. I'll give it, I die for you. Steal a song from the sky for you. The words can say what love can do. I'll be there for you. I know you know we have some good times. Now they have their own hiding place. Well, I can promise you tomorrow but I can't buy it back yesterday. Yeah, baby, you know my head's so dirty, but I want it to be your Valentine. I'll be the water, but you get thirsty, baby. When you get drunk, I'll be the one. I'll be there for you. This part word I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. I'll give it, I die for you. Steal a song from the sky for you. The words can say what love can do. I'll be there for you.
I'll be there for you.
Sa mga kasama ko sa farm, hello sa inyo guys. Ha? Hotdog. Hotdog. Hotdog.
Wow.
Yeah, there wasn't time when you were happy. Yeah, there wasn't time when you were down, down, down. I didn't make you wish your birthday, baby. How is that secret below those into loud? Wow, yeah. I'll be there for you. This board, I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. I'll give it, I die for you. Steal a song from the sky for you. The words can say what love can do. I'll be there for. I'll be there for you. This what I swear to you. When you breathe, I wanna be the air for you. I'll be there for you. I'll give it, I die for you. Steal a song from the sky for you. Words can say what love can do. I'll be there for you. Whoa.
Yes. This time, I'd like to give you Maui. Nasaan na si Maui? Maui!
Yan, para sa mga Bon Jovi lovers dyan.
Yeah.
Where's Maui?
Yeah, there's Maui. And this I'd like to give you may saman nga duet, manipod kini. Manipod kini. Ingrid Lumabaw, good morning, good morning.
We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Why did you go away? You left me all alone. No words can say, my love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share.
You and I, you can make it anywhere.
Make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms.
There can be no other love.
Now I know that we can have it all. forever.
Each night I pray that we can be together once again.
Forevermore we'll stay in love this way, no matter what they say, until the end.
We have moments left to share.
Moments left to share, you and I, we can make it anywhere.
Make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Para mampekin ni Ma'am May Castillo, Tita Nancy Gonzalez, Tita Mona Lee, Tito Jessie, Tita Edna Gonzalez. You and I, we have moments left to share.
Moments left to share, you and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Yes, sa Balimang Paingayog bilang sexy ka,
Sexy na
aing pinakasarapan, dardarep-depet, pagkabuklan to'y ayan, awan pulong
awan pulos.
nagtalka, nadisikahan, ket di naklip-liputan, pangaasim biyak ko. Siksikan,
Siksikan
lain nakasarapan, dardarep-depet, apagkabuklan to'y ayan, awan pulong
awan pulos.
nagtalka, nadisikahan, ket di naklip-liputan, pangaasim biyak ko. No awan tong para kaya't mo kanya sa welaeng ay balikas, di ka kuman agaman, ngintay agpamarangkang nga at dapay lang patik ko ken ka, kas mula pengen pinagsate. Ano sa tigas at
Good ni Mandeli nga sa natin ni Ma'am Remy Dansang, Ma'am Susan Arlejo, Ma'am Monalyn, Ma'am Nancy, Ma'am Edna, Ma'am Rebecca, Boss Jessie, Sir Renato.
Laing di nakasaraka, dadarin depende.
Awang signal ka no.
Apakabuklan to'y ayan, awan
Pulus,
nagtalka, nadisika, kahit di naklip-liputan, pang-aasim biyak ko. Awantun, para gaya't mukha niya sa welaeng ay balikas, di ka tuman agaman. Ngintay ang pamarangka, nga adapay ang patikutin ka, kas mula hengen pinuksan, hinaimnas ni Raksa. Gino siya tun, ay di mundo ipatpatin. Anusat tigas at kur, gayon ba ay mukha niya? Anusat tigas at kur, gayon ba ay mukha niya?
Yes, $40 for both of you from Mami Becca. And also 1,000 pesos.
Tikas mo damay,
Cellphone ko isut tingin, daytoy barukong ko.
ay nagrigatin long distance ngayon. Iten na itiilim ken panas, naginat ti oras nga aglabas, kapot karayo adi maipapas. Alawin agad anus kabiyak ko, idaya mo dayta cellphone mo, rantayan ta itisek ka ken sumno, kasiksikalan inay-ayat ko. Buray adayo ka dito'y arpa,
Ma'am Monalyn Gonzalez,
kasla sidik ka lataka niya.
Ma'am Juliet Mateo,
Daday tadimit mo nung mangigat umanaye, kung aliliwan.
Ma'am Edna Gonzalez, Ma'am Ate Daisy Neves sa guitarist.
Si Renato Nancy Gomez.
Igiintugot mo ang sapatan, inikuta awan ti mulit na, ngem pusong gaya maulilat at kapit, hindi na kinsikan.
Nagrigatin long distance ngayon, itin na itiilim ken panas, naginat ti oras at labas, kapot karayo tayo at di maipapas. Alawin akan anus kabiyak ko, itayang mo daita cellphone mo. Rantayang ka itisig kakin sumno, tasiksikalan inay-ayat ko. Long distance na ayat, itek na itipilit ken tanas. Naginat di oras nga aglabas, kapag karayo adi maipapas. Alawin ang anus kabiyak ko, idayang mo data cellphone mo. Rantayang ka itisig kakin sudlo, tasiksikalan inay-ayat ko. Tasiksikalan inay-ayat ko. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead.
Josie Pagirigan.
Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
May Castillo.
Oh, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, your heart in mine, baby. Now dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of her own. We're still kids, we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know it'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. Now I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh no, baby, now I'm dancing Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. She look perfect tonight.
Ayan, sa malimang request. Napalawanti, I've been away too long. How can I say to you I love somebody new? You were so good to me always. And when I see your eyes, I can't go on with lies. It breaks your heart, but I just can't hide it. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can be so strong. I've been away too long. Don't look that way to me. It hurts you, so I see. But I just can't go on with lies. I give you all I am, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can be so strong. I've been away too. La 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 la. I've been away too long. Ayan, nagtitiri question na I've been away too long. Manipot pa lang ito yung Aura mismo Music Live.
nasawa o bakit yan nalaksa imis makit kinitmat nagkibayo to'y kaungga nagtilangan to'y paudi ipamagiraw ang sexy Octawin sa T60 lungay na pa'y nagmakagargari Kalariro kundunada Mulo pati Di bakit nakaumansa Nagpay luma Tiganas na
Salome Hidalgo, happy watching.
Ang babaketa Isipon ko na kanya Uray manuy uyawen Di ka natirik na Tuy marik na Ang babaketa Pagtunga ang babaketa Di ka nga mira mo tiganas Di baketa kainayan ayan Di pumatol di bakit Kadala at langit Awan sa pulim tikin na sangkit Arakot nakin pinagit Di bakit na sing-singpe Nabang pangluawan mintis Uray lukuri bet-bet Awan sa pulim minakinagagit Pagkilariro tay kunkunada Hingga amoy lupati angot na Di bakit akarumansa Nagpay tuma Ikanas na Ang babaketa Isipon ko na kanya Uray manuy uyawin Di ka matirik na Tuy marik na Ang babaketa Tunga at babaketa
Punoon ay
Kita lang din ang mutiganas Di bakit ang ayan. 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock We gotta rock around the clock tonight Put your gloves, rocks on Join me and we'll have some fun We gotta rock, strikes one We gotta rock around the clock tonight We gotta rock, rock, rock To the birthday light We gotta rock around the clock tonight When the clock strikes 2, 2 and 4 If the band slows down, you'll be more We gotta rock around the clock tonight We gotta rock, rock, rock To the birthday light We gotta rock around the clock tonight When the chimes reach 5, 6 and 7 We'll be right in 7th heaven We gotta rock around the clock tonight We gotta rock, rock, rock To the birthday light We gotta rock around the clock tonight
Oh, don't keep on.
When it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 I'll be going strong and so will you We gotta rock around the clock tonight And the clock, clock, clock To the road daylight We gotta rock around the clock tonight 11, 2 Gotta go down, show them more We gotta rock the clock tonight We gotta rock To the birthday light We gotta rock around the clock tonight
It's 1 for the money, 2 for the show. 3 get ready now, go get to the country. Stop on my blue searches. We can do anything, but I offer my blue searches. You can drag my name, slander my name, slander my name all over the place. You can do anything that you wanna do, but honey, you're the my shoes, but don't you stop my blue searches. You can do anything, but I offer my blue searches. It's one for the money, two for the show. You get ready now, go back to the coaches. Step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off in my blue suede shoes. Step me down, slander my name all over the place. Can do anything that you wanna do, but I heart ain't walking my shoes, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off in my blue suede shoes. Blue, blue, 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 blue suede shoes. Well, we can do anything but lay off in my blue suede shoes.
Ayan, at dito po kami nagtatapos ng aming live today. Salamat sa mga nag-share,
Yan, sa mga bagong viewers, maraming
sa mga
salamat.
nanood.
Salamat at tayo'y nagkasamang muli. Salamat at may gabing nakaraan sa kaunting kasiyahan. Hey! Thank you so much, guys.
Kevin Julian, Kuripot.
Salamat at tayo'y nagkasamang muli. Salamat! Salamat at sa pagbawi ng buhay ay may darating na araw. Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maasahan. Salamat, tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan.
Yan, thank you so much. Digiti nagiragragsak, nagiring rin numit. Yan, digiti nagitintin ng kay kami at nga oras. Yan, kaya thank you so much. Digiti paro nga viewers, digiti supporters, digiti strikers. Ayan, katawisan na kayo tumanin, tunubigan dito kasi dito matang oras. Dito'y live. Mora mismo, music live.
Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, kasama maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat at tunay kong kaibigan.
Ma'am Edna, thank you.
Salamat sa'yo,
Boss Jesse, thank you.
Kaora mismo. Salamat sa'yo, Kaora mismo.
Bye! Thank you so much. God bless us all. Keep safe.
Bye, Kevin Julian, Kuripot. Hey! Thank you, Boss Jesse. Ma'am Edna, thank you. BFF, BFF, makakalimutan ko pa. Thank you, BFF.